for the meditation, most important thing you have to know is don't meditate, but don't get lost. So what we call non-meditation and non-distraction. So what is the meaning of meditation? Meaning concentrate. Think of nothing. I need peace. I need joy. So if you try to create something, those things, it doesn't work. So many people, they misunderstood our meditation. They think meditation means think of nothing, only concentration. Some people, they think meditation is like blissing out. You have to say peace, clarity, openness, So these are the fabrication. These are the contrived, So meditation should not be contrived, completely natural, completely follow the flow of your mind. So it's very important. So don't meditate. So then you might wonder, if I'm not meditate, then maybe same as my normal mind before I learned to meditation. No, I don't know meditation, so I'm not meditating. So the meditation is good, non-meditation is good for me, then I don't have to do anything. But actually not. You need awareness. So awareness is not loss. The present sense of presentness, sense of being, sense of continuity, knowingly, consciously. So awareness meaning knowing what you think, what you are doing, what you are thinking, what you are doing, what is happening within you, around you. That's the awareness. So just watch and don't care about whether mind is peace or not peace, concentration or not concentration, think or not think. Let it go. So then your meditation becomes wonderful.